Hello everyone, today let us share this wonderful video of mine coming from the farmers. I went to buy some herd chicken, so I got 4 boxes, which each box has 10 chicken and each box is $40. Stay where you are and enjoy this. No, that's okay. You are always scared of everything.
Who are you? Are you working? Wow. It's more.
Okay, 10 I think. Huh?
Is it power?
So I also got a box of eggs, which has 15 boxes. The price was $60. 7, 8, 9, 14, 15.
You see 8?
Okay, so 15.
Mom.
Oops. Let's go put in the freezer. Come along and let us cook this together. I'm gonna wash. After that, I'm gonna put in the pot and then add seasoning. Add water. This is hot water, guys, but you are free to use cold or warm. This is a homemade chicken seasoning, which is on my preview video. When you go down under this video, you will see it. Now, you may wondering which kind of seasoning did she add. Don't worry, I'm here, I will explain to you. Spices used are chicken seasoning, onion powder, seasoning salt, lemon and herbs, black pepper, 2 bay leaves, and 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Shake it.
No, that's enough. That's enough. Stay away from hot water. After cooking for 15 minutes, now it's time to bake. We are going to bake for 20 minutes, and after that our chicken will be ready. Now this is how it looks like. Doesn't this looks yummy, guys? So thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.